Let's install the Gemini CLI tool. So first of all, we will just search for Gemini CLI. After searching this, you will face with the first website, GeminiCLI.com. So after opening this tool, now we will move to the installation, how to install this tool on your PC to use the CLI tool of Gemini. A very fantastic tool that you don't need to the website or move to the website or something else. You can just use it in your PC and just build the projects. So before using this tool, you need to install Node.js. After installing Node.js, you can just run this command npm. So if you don't know how to run Node.js, just search here and download Node.js and install that on your PC. So it says just run this command. Okay, npm install -g. It means Google Gemini CLI. Copy this command. After copying that, let's move to the CMD. After opening the CMD, so we will paste that. It means right click and it will paste that and press enter. So it will install now the CLI tool of Google, the Gemini. So let's wait for the installation. Whenever the installation completes, so then we will move and build a project using this CLI tool. The installation completed. Now we can run the Gemini CLI and to build our projects, whatever we want. So let's simply write Gemini and press enter. So it will ask from us how you would like to authenticate it. Okay, we will just log in using our Google account. So then we will proceed with the CLI to build our projects, whatever we want. So let's wait. It will load. Yeah, look at the Gemini CLI is loading now. So it says, do you trust the folder? Trusting a folder, allowing Gemini to execute command. So trust parent folder. So we will just it means that do you allow this folder, or we can just open. Yeah, so I will open in a separate folder. Okay, so I will close this one and I will come here and right click here in this empty folder and open in terminal. After opening in terminal, so here I will run this Gemini command. So I will build our project here. So this is, it says trust the folder. Yes. So after running Gemini, so Gemini will load. So after loading, it says trust the folder. Yes, we trust. And that after pressing enter, so it will just ask another question which says log into the Gemini. It means use your Google account or use Gemini or Vertex AI. So we will choose log in with Google. So we will log into this using our Google account. So let's press enter and we will log in as Google. So press enter. Do you want to continue? Yes. So it says which Google account would you like to proceed with, or we can choose another Google account. So let's say this one. So press enter. So it says just check on your mobile phone to allow this. Yes, we will check this on mobile also. So let's wait. So sign in. After the authentication completed, so now you will see that authentication succeeded. You have successfully logged in with Google. Gemini CLI needs to restart. Press R or escape to choose a different auth method. So we will just close it and we will go back to our previous command line. So here you can ask from Gemini whatever you want. So you can ask and create your application projects using Gemini. So here you can ask from Gemini. So it was all about this. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and comment down. Thanks for watching.